Welcome back to our channel. We hope you'll find valuable content here. If you enjoy our channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Let's dive in. Unlocking the power of ChatGPT for effective business management. Welcome to our program on leveraging ChatGPT for business management success. In this series, we will demystify the world of artificial intelligence and show you how to use ChatGPT as a powerful tool to boost your organization's efficiency, decision-making, and overall effectiveness. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a manager, or someone interested in the exciting world of AI, this guide is tailored for you. Chapter 1: Defining your business management goals. In this first chapter, we lay the foundation for harnessing ChatGPT's potential in business management. Imagine ChatGPT as your trusty assistant, ready to help you achieve your business goals. But to get there, you first need to define what those goals are. Understanding business management goals. Business management goals are like the destination on a map. They give you direction and purpose. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve in your organization? Is it about improving efficiency, cutting costs, or boosting productivity? Perhaps you want to expand your market share or enhance customer satisfaction. Your goals provide the context for your journey with ChatGPT. Why goal definition matters. Think of it this way: if you don't know where you're going, how will you get there? By clearly outlining your business management objectives, you set the stage for productive collaboration with ChatGPT. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're the owner of a small e-commerce store. Your goal is to increase sales by 20% in the next quarter. You can use ChatGPT to analyze customer data, suggest marketing strategies, and even help optimize your website for better conversion rates. Tips for defining goals. Be specific. Vague goals lead to vague results. Instead of saying, "I want to improve customer service," say, "I want to reduce customer response time by 50%. Make them measurable. Use concrete metrics to track progress. For instance, increase monthly revenue by $10,000. Set achievable targets. Goals should be challenging but attainable. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to frustration. Time-bound. Specify a timeframe for achieving your goals. Within 6 months adds a sense of urgency. In this chapter, we've learned that defining your business management goals is the crucial first step in efficiently using ChatGPT. Goals act as your guiding star, directing your AI-powered journey toward success. With a clear destination in mind, you're ready to embark on a path of improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced productivity. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we delve into problem identification with ChatGPT. Chapter 2: Problem Identification. Welcome back to our journey in unlocking the power of ChatGPT for business management. In the previous chapter, we defined our business management goals, setting the course for our AI-driven adventure. Now, it's time to embark on the next step, identifying the challenges and opportunities within your organization. Why problem identification matters. Before you can solve a problem or seize an opportunity, you must first recognize it. ChatGPT can be your Sherlock Holmes in the world of business, helping you uncover hidden issues and untapped potentials. Using ChatGPT for problem identification. Think of ChatGPT as your virtual detective. It can process vast amounts of data and generate insights that might have otherwise remained hidden. Here's how to effectively utilize ChatGPT for this purpose. 1. Ask the right questions. To identify problems or opportunities, you need to formulate clear and specific questions. ChatGPT can help answer questions like: what are the bottlenecks in our production process? How can we enhance employee engagement? 2. Analyzing historical data. ChatGPT can sift through historical data to identify patterns and trends. For instance, it can analyze sales data to pinpoint declining product categories or customer preferences. 3. Market research and competitor analysis. Leverage ChatGPT to gather information about market trends, customer sentiments, and competitive strategies. It can provide valuable insights for staying ahead in your industry. 4. Employee feedback analysis. Use ChatGPT to process employee feedback surveys or reviews. It can identify common concerns and areas where improvements are needed. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're the CEO of a software company experiencing a drop in product quality. You can turn to ChatGPT to analyze customer support tickets, identify recurring issues, and recommend solutions. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you scour industry forums and reviews for competitor weaknesses you can capitalize on. Asking high-quality questions. The effectiveness of ChatGPT's problem identification relies heavily on the quality of your questions. Here are some tips. Be specific, clearly define what you're looking for. Prioritize, focus on the most pressing issues first. Encourage creativity, ask open-ended questions to uncover unexpected insights. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can be your trusted detective in identifying challenges and opportunities within your organization. By formulating the right questions and leveraging AI's data processing capabilities, you can uncover hidden gems that will drive your business forward. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll dive into the crucial step of data gathering. Chapter 3: Data Gathering. Welcome back to our journey of harnessing ChatGPT's potential for business management. In our previous chapters, we defined our management goals and learned how to identify challenges and opportunities. Now, let's explore the critical step of data gathering, where we collect the raw materials needed to make informed decisions. Why data gathering matters. In the information age, data is king. It's the lifeblood of sound decision-making. ChatGPT can be your data mining expert, helping you collect and organize relevant information efficiently. Leveraging ChatGPT for data gathering. ChatGPT is not only a problem solver but also an information gatherer. Here's how you can make the most of it. 1. Define data needs. Before you start collecting data, specify what information you require. Whether it's customer data, financial records, or market research, a clear understanding of your needs is crucial. 2. Web scraping. ChatGPT can scour the internet for publicly available data relevant to your business. For instance, if you're in the restaurant industry, ChatGPT can compile reviews and ratings of your competitors. 3. Data entry and formatting. Let ChatGPT handle repetitive data entry tasks. It can extract information from documents, spreadsheets, or websites and present it in a structured format for easy analysis. 4. Surveys and feedback analysis. When gathering customer feedback or employee surveys, ChatGPT can assist in organizing and summarizing responses, saving you time and effort. Real-life scenario. Imagine you run a retail chain and want to expand to a new location. ChatGPT can help you gather demographic data, analyze foot traffic patterns, and even pull in information about the competition in that area. Ensuring data quality. Data is only valuable if it's accurate and reliable. Here's how to maintain data quality. Data validation: double-check data for errors, outliers, or inconsistencies. Cross-verification: compare data from multiple sources to ensure consistency. Data security: protect sensitive information and comply with data privacy regulations. In this chapter, we've explored the importance of data gathering in the business management process. ChatGPT serves as your data assistant, simplifying the collection and organization of information critical to informed decision-making. With accurate and well-organized data, you're well-equipped to take the next steps in optimizing your organization's efficiency and effectiveness. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll delve into the art of formulating clear and actionable questions for ChatGPT. Chapter 4: Formulating Clear Questions. Welcome back to our journey of maximizing the potential of ChatGPT in business management. In our previous chapters, we've set our management goals, identified problems and opportunities, and learned the art of data gathering. Now, it's time to sharpen our communication skills by formulating clear and actionable questions for ChatGPT. The power of precision. Imagine ChatGPT as a brilliant mind ready to assist you, but it needs the right input to provide meaningful output. Crafting clear questions is the key to unlocking this potential. Clarity is king. When you ask ChatGPT a question, clarity is your best friend. The clearer your question, the more precise and actionable the answer. Types of questions. Open-ended questions. These encourage expansive responses and are ideal when you want a detailed analysis or creative ideas. For example, what are the emerging trends in our industry? How can we improve our customer experience? Closed-ended questions. These require brief, specific answers and are useful for gathering facts or confirming information. For example, what was our revenue for the last quarter? Is product A more popular than product B? Context matters. Providing context is essential. ChatGPT needs to understand the background and purpose of your question. For example, if you're asking about customer feedback, include details like the date of the survey and the specific questions asked. Actionable language. Use action verbs in your questions to make them actionable. Instead of saying, "Tell me about our sales," say, "Analyze our sales data for the past year and identify growth opportunities." Real-life scenario. Imagine you're a marketing manager planning a new advertising campaign. Instead of asking, "What are some advertising ideas?" you could ask, "Based on our customer demographics, suggest advertising strategies that resonate with our target audience." Iterate and refine. Don't be afraid to iterate your questions. If you receive a response that's not quite what you needed, rephrase and clarify your question. Testing and validation. Before relying on ChatGPT's answers for critical decisions, validate the information obtained. Cross-reference it with other sources or seek input from experts. In this chapter, we've delved into the art of crafting clear and actionable questions for ChatGPT. Precision in your queries is the key to unlocking valuable insights and solutions. As we continue our journey, remember that the quality of your questions directly impacts the quality of your outcomes. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we explore the fascinating world of data analysis and visualization with ChatGPT. Chapter 5: Data Analysis and Visualization. Welcome back to our exploration of ChatGPT's role in business management. In the previous chapters, we've laid the groundwork for utilizing ChatGPT effectively, from setting goals to formulating clear questions. Now, it's time to dive into the exciting world of data analysis and visualization with ChatGPT. The power of data visualization. Data is more than just numbers, it's a source of valuable insights. ChatGPT can help transform raw data into meaningful visualizations that aid decision-making. Using ChatGPT for data analysis and visualization. Here's how you can leverage ChatGPT's capabilities in this crucial aspect of business management. 1. Data processing. ChatGPT can assist in cleaning and organizing your data. It can handle tasks like removing duplicates, formatting, and ensuring consistency. 2. Descriptive analytics. Ask ChatGPT to provide basic statistics and insights from your data. For instance, summarize our monthly sales figures for the last year. 3. Visualizations. ChatGPT can generate charts, graphs, and reports to help you visualize trends and patterns in your data. You can request specific types of visualizations, such as bar charts, line graphs, or pie charts. 4. Comparative analysis. Use ChatGPT to compare different data sets or time periods. For example, compare our sales performance in Q1 this year to the same period last year. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're the manager of a retail store chain. You want to assess the performance of your various locations. ChatGPT can help by creating heat maps that visually represent sales data across different regions, making it easier to identify both strong and underperforming stores. Effective data visualization. Keep it simple, clarity should be your goal. Avoid clutter and excessive details. Choose the right visuals. Different data types require different types of visuals. Line charts are great for showing trends over time, while bar charts are ideal for comparisons. Add context, provide labels, titles, and captions to help viewers understand the significance of the data. Interpreting visualizations. ChatGPT can assist in interpreting visual data. If you're unsure about what a particular trend or pattern means, ask ChatGPT for insights and explanations. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can transform raw data into insightful visualizations. By harnessing the power of data analysis and visualization, you can gain a deeper understanding of your organization's performance and make data-driven decisions. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we dive into the realm of process improvement with ChatGPT. Chapter 6: Process Improvement. Welcome back to our journey of optimizing business management with ChatGPT. In the previous chapters, we've explored various aspects of utilizing ChatGPT for goal setting, problem solving, data analysis, and visualization. Now, let's delve into the realm of process improvement. The path to efficiency. Processes are the backbone of any organization. Efficient processes lead to cost savings, higher productivity, and improved customer satisfaction. ChatGPT can be your partner in enhancing these critical components. Leveraging ChatGPT for process improvement. Here's how to harness ChatGPT's capabilities for enhancing your organization's processes. 1. Brainstorming sessions. Engage with ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for process improvement. Pose questions like, how can we streamline our order fulfillment process, or what steps can we eliminate to reduce production time? 2. Best practices research. ChatGPT can scour the internet and industry literature for best practices related to your business. It can provide insights into how successful organizations in your field optimize their processes. 3. Automation opportunities. Ask ChatGPT about automation possibilities. For example, identify tasks that can be automated in our customer support workflow. 4. Performance metrics. Use ChatGPT to define key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics for evaluating process efficiency. You can ask, what KPIs should we track to measure the efficiency of our supply chain? Real-life scenario. Imagine you run a manufacturing company facing bottlenecks in the production process. ChatGPT can help identify the specific areas causing delays, suggest improvements, and even simulate the impact of changes on production times. Implementing process improvements. Prioritize changes. Not all improvements are equal. Focus on changes that have the most significant impact. Test and refine, pilot process improvements on a small scale before full-scale implementation. Monitor progress, use ChatGPT to track and analyze the impact of changes over time. Continuous improvement culture. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement within your organization. ChatGPT can assist by providing regular updates on industry trends and best practices. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can be a catalyst for process improvement. By tapping into its analytical abilities and knowledge base, you can identify areas for enhancement, implement changes, and cultivate a culture of continuous improvement. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll delve into using ChatGPT as a decision support tool for critical business choices. Chapter 7: Decision Support. Welcome back to our exploration of ChatGPT's role in enhancing business management. In the previous chapters, we've learned how ChatGPT can assist in setting goals, identifying challenges, gathering data, and improving processes. Now, let's navigate the intricate world of decision support. The art of decision making. Decisions, whether big or small, are the cornerstone of effective business management. ChatGPT can serve as your trusted advisor, providing insights and analysis to help you make informed choices. Leveraging ChatGPT for decision support. Here's how ChatGPT can aid you in making critical decisions for your organization. 1. Complex analysis. When faced with complex decisions, consult ChatGPT for in-depth analysis. For instance, analyze the feasibility of expanding into a new market. 2. Pros and cons evaluation. Ask ChatGPT to list the pros and cons of different options. This can be especially useful when considering strategic moves or investments. 3. Risk assessment. ChatGPT can help identify potential risks associated with a decision and suggest mitigation strategies. For example, what are the risks of launching a new product, and how can we mitigate them? 4. Scenario planning. Use ChatGPT to create scenarios for various decision outcomes. It can help you anticipate different possibilities and their implications. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're the CEO of a technology company considering a merger with another firm. ChatGPT can assist in evaluating the financial implications, cultural fit, and potential synergies, providing you with a comprehensive analysis to guide your decision. Asking for actionable insights. When seeking decision support from ChatGPT, be clear about what kind of information or analysis you need. Ask questions like, what are the key factors to consider when choosing between option A and option B? Combining data and expertise. ChatGPT can augment your decision-making process by combining data-driven insights with human expertise. Remember to consider both sides for a well-rounded perspective. Decision documentation. After making a decision with ChatGPT support, document the rationale and insights provided. This helps in tracking the decision's impact and learning from the process. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can serve as a valuable decision support tool. By harnessing its analytical abilities and knowledge base, you can make well-informed choices that steer your organization in the right direction. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll explore ChatGPT's role in effective project management. Chapter 8: Project Management. Welcome back to our journey of maximizing ChatGPT's potential in business management. In our previous chapters, we've covered various aspects, from setting goals to decision support. Now, it's time to explore how ChatGPT can assist in the complex world of project management. The importance of effective project management. Projects are the building blocks of achieving your business goals. Efficient project management ensures that tasks are completed on time, within budget, and with the desired quality. ChatGPT can be your reliable project management assistant. Leveraging ChatGPT for project management. Here's how ChatGPT can enhance your project management endeavors. 1. Task allocation. ChatGPT can help distribute tasks among team members based on skills, availability, and project priorities. For instance, assign tasks for the upcoming marketing campaign. 2. Scheduling and milestones. Use ChatGPT to create project schedules and define key milestones. It can assist in setting deadlines and tracking progress. 3. Progress tracking. Ask ChatGPT for regular project status updates. It can provide real-time information on task completion and potential delays. 4. Risk management. ChatGPT can identify potential risks in your project plan and suggest mitigation strategies. For example, what are the risks associated with our project timeline, and how can we minimize them? Real-life scenario. Imagine you're managing the development of a new software application. ChatGPT can assist in scheduling tasks, tracking bug fixes, and even helping to allocate resources efficiently. Effective collaboration. Integrate ChatGPT into your project management tools and workflows to facilitate collaboration. It can send reminders, schedule meetings, and generate meeting agendas. Resource optimization. ChatGPT can help you allocate resources more effectively by analyzing workloads and ensuring that team members are assigned tasks that match their expertise. Documentation and reporting. ChatGPT can generate project reports and documentation, saving you time and ensuring that project information is easily accessible. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can simplify project management by assisting in task allocation, scheduling, progress tracking, and risk management. By integrating ChatGPT into your project management processes, you can ensure that your projects are executed efficiently and effectively. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll delve into using ChatGPT to facilitate team collaboration. Chapter 9: Team Collaboration. Welcome back to our exploration of ChatGPT's role in business management. In the previous chapters, we've covered a wide range of topics, from goal setting to project management. Now, let's discover how ChatGPT can boost teamwork and collaboration within your organization. The power of effective team collaboration. Teamwork is the heart of any successful organization. Effective collaboration enhances communication, boosts productivity, and fosters innovation. ChatGPT can act as a catalyst for streamlined collaboration. Leveraging ChatGPT for team collaboration. Here's how ChatGPT can help you facilitate teamwork and collaboration. 1. Meeting assistance. ChatGPT can schedule meetings, generate meeting agendas, and even provide automated minutes or summaries of discussions. 2. Internal communication. Use ChatGPT to draft internal communications, announcements, and newsletters. It can assist in ensuring that your messages are clear and well-structured. 3. Task assignment and follow-up. ChatGPT can help assign tasks to team members and send reminders for deadlines. It can also provide status updates on task completion. 4. Knowledge sharing. ChatGPT can assist in creating knowledge bases or FAQs for your team, ensuring that information is readily accessible to all members. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're a project manager leading a diverse team working on a critical project. ChatGPT can schedule regular team meetings, generate discussion topics based on project progress, and even draft follow-up emails summarizing key decisions and action items. Enhancing communication. ChatGPT can provide language translation services, helping teams work seamlessly across language barriers. Automating routine tasks. By automating routine administrative tasks, ChatGPT frees up your team's time to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. Customized collaboration solutions. Work with ChatGPT to tailor collaboration solutions that fit your team's specific needs and preferences. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can be a valuable asset in enhancing teamwork and collaboration within your organization. By automating administrative tasks, facilitating communication, and providing support in various collaborative activities, ChatGPT can help your team work more efficiently and effectively. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll delve into ChatGPT's role in financial management and analysis. Chapter 10: Financial Management. Welcome back to our exploration of ChatGPT's role in business management. In the previous chapters, we've covered various aspects of leveraging ChatGPT to optimize your organization's operations. Now, let's dive into the world of financial management and analysis with ChatGPT. The significance of financial management. Financial health is a cornerstone of business success. Effective financial management helps you allocate resources wisely, plan for growth, and ensure sustainability. ChatGPT can be your financial advisor, aiding in tasks from budgeting to forecasting. Leveraging ChatGPT for financial management. Here's how ChatGPT can assist you in managing your organization's finances. 1. Budgeting. Collaborate with ChatGPT to create budgets for various departments or projects. It can help with expense categorization and allocation. 2. Financial forecasting. Ask ChatGPT to analyze historical financial data and generate forecasts based on different scenarios. For example, what will our revenue look like if we increase prices by 10%? 3. Expense analysis. Utilize ChatGPT to identify areas where cost savings can be achieved. It can analyze expense reports and suggest cost-cutting measures. 4. Financial reporting. ChatGPT can generate financial reports, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. It ensures that your financial data is presented clearly and accurately. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're the CFO of a growing tech startup. You can use ChatGPT to assist in budgeting for your expansion plans, analyzing the impact of different financing options, and generating financial reports for stakeholders. Enhancing financial decision-making. ChatGPT can assist in financial decision-making by providing insights into investment opportunities, capital allocation, and debt management. Continuous monitoring. Engage ChatGPT for regular financial monitoring to ensure that your organization stays on track to meet its financial goals. Custom financial models. Work with ChatGPT to develop customized financial models that suit your organization's specific needs and industry. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can be a valuable asset in financial management and analysis. By leveraging its capabilities for budgeting, forecasting, expense analysis, and reporting, you can make informed financial decisions that drive your organization's success. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll discuss the critical topic of risk assessment and mitigation with ChatGPT. Chapter 11: Risk Assessment and Mitigation. Welcome back to our journey of harnessing ChatGPT's potential in business management. In the previous chapters, we've explored various aspects of business operations, from financial management to team collaboration. Now, let's delve into the critical area of risk assessment and mitigation with ChatGPT. Understanding business risks. In the ever-changing business landscape, risks are a constant presence. They can range from market fluctuations to operational challenges. ChatGPT can act as your risk analyst, helping you identify potential threats and strategies for mitigation. Leveraging ChatGPT for risk assessment and mitigation. Here's how ChatGPT can assist you in managing and mitigating business risks. 1. Risk identification. Use ChatGPT to identify potential risks associated with specific business decisions, projects, or market conditions. For instance, what are the risks of expanding into a new market? 2. Risk prioritization. ChatGPT can help prioritize risks based on their potential impact and likelihood. This allows you to focus resources on addressing the most critical risks. 3. Mitigation strategies. Engage with ChatGPT to brainstorm and develop mitigation strategies for identified risks. It can suggest actions to reduce the impact or likelihood of adverse events. 4. Scenario analysis. ChatGPT can assist in scenario planning, allowing you to simulate the impact of different risk scenarios on your business. For example, what would be the financial impact if our main supplier faces a production delay? Real-life scenario. Imagine you're a project manager overseeing a critical product launch. ChatGPT can help you identify potential risks, such as supply chain disruptions, quality issues, or market competition. It can then provide strategies to mitigate these risks and ensure a successful launch. Risk monitoring. Engage ChatGPT in ongoing risk monitoring to stay vigilant about changing conditions that may affect your organization. Data-driven insights. Use ChatGPT to combine data analysis with risk assessment. It can provide insights into historical risk patterns and trends. Custom risk models. Work with ChatGPT to develop custom risk assessment models tailored to your industry and specific business context. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can serve as a valuable tool for risk assessment and mitigation. By leveraging its capabilities to identify, prioritize, and develop strategies for mitigating risks, you can safeguard your organization and make more informed decisions. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll emphasize the importance of quality control when working with ChatGPT. Chapter 12: Quality Control. Welcome back to our journey of maximizing ChatGPT's potential in business management. In the previous chapters, we've delved into various aspects of business operations, from financial management to risk assessment. Now, let's explore the crucial realm of quality control when working with ChatGPT. The importance of quality control. In the pursuit of efficiency and productivity, maintaining quality is paramount. Quality control ensures that the insights, reports, and recommendations provided by ChatGPT meet the highest standards of accuracy and relevance. Implementing quality control with ChatGPT. Here's how you can ensure quality control when working with ChatGPT. 1. Review and verification. Always review and verify the information and recommendations provided by ChatGPT, especially in critical business management areas like decision support and financial analysis. 2. Cross-validation. Cross-reference ChatGPT-generated insights with data from multiple sources to ensure consistency and accuracy. 3. Expert input. Seek input from subject matter experts in your organization. Experts can provide valuable context and validate ChatGPT's recommendations. 4. Continuous learning. Stay updated on ChatGPT's capabilities and limitations. Regularly assess its performance and adapt your usage as the technology evolves. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're using ChatGPT to generate financial reports for a crucial investor meeting. Before presenting the reports, have your financial team review and verify the numbers to ensure their accuracy. Quality control framework. Develop a quality control framework that outlines the steps and processes for ensuring the reliability of ChatGPT-generated insights and recommendations. Quality assurance team. Consider establishing a quality assurance team responsible for reviewing and verifying ChatGPT outputs in critical business areas. Feedback loop. Create a feedback loop where users of ChatGPT can report issues or inaccuracies. This feedback helps improve the quality of future outputs. In this chapter, we've emphasized the critical importance of quality control when working with ChatGPT. By implementing robust review processes, seeking expert input, and continuously learning about the tool's capabilities and limitations, you can ensure that the insights and recommendations provided by ChatGPT meet the highest standards of quality and accuracy. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll explore how to stay updated on ChatGPT's evolving capabilities. Chapter 13: Continuous Learning. Welcome back to our journey of harnessing ChatGPT's potential in business management. In the previous chapters, we've explored various facets of using ChatGPT to optimize your organization's operations. Now, let's delve into the critical topic of continuous learning to stay updated on ChatGPT's evolving capabilities. The evolving landscape of AI. Artificial intelligence, including ChatGPT, is a rapidly evolving field. Staying current with the latest advancements is essential to maximize its benefits for business management. Embracing continuous learning. Here's how you can ensure that you and your organization are continuously learning and adapting to ChatGPT's evolving capabilities. 1. Stay informed. Regularly follow news, articles, and research related to AI and ChatGPT. This will help you understand the latest developments and potential applications. 2. Collaborate with experts. Engage with AI experts and data scientists to gain insights into cutting-edge AI techniques and best practices. They can provide valuable guidance on how to leverage ChatGPT effectively. 3. Experiment and innovate. Encourage experimentation within your organization. Explore new ways to apply ChatGPT to solve business challenges and foster innovation. 4. Attend workshops and seminars. Participate in workshops, webinars, and seminars on AI and ChatGPT. These events often provide hands-on experience and practical knowledge. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're a business leader looking to improve customer service using AI chatbots. By attending AI-related seminars and consulting with AI experts, you can gain insights into the latest advancements and best practices in chatbot technology. Internal training programs. Establish internal training programs to educate your team members on ChatGPT's capabilities and how to use it effectively. Feedback and evaluation. Collect feedback from users within your organization who regularly interact with ChatGPT. Use this feedback to fine-tune your usage and identify areas for improvement. Invest in skill development. Consider investing in skill development programs for your employees, focusing on AI and ChatGPT-related skills. In this chapter, we've emphasized the importance of continuous learning to stay updated on ChatGPT's evolving capabilities. By staying informed, collaborating with experts, experimenting, and attending relevant events, you can ensure that your organization remains at the forefront of AI-driven business management. This commitment to continuous learning will help you adapt and innovate in an ever-changing business landscape. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and learning. Chapter 14: Privacy and Security. Welcome back to our exploration of ChatGPT's role in business management. In the previous chapters, we've covered a wide range of topics, from goal setting to continuous learning. Now, it's crucial to address the vital topic of privacy and security when using ChatGPT. The significance of privacy and security. In an age of data breaches and cybersecurity threats, safeguarding sensitive information is of paramount importance. When working with ChatGPT, you must take measures to protect your organization's data and privacy. Ensuring privacy and security with ChatGPT. Here's how you can protect sensitive information and ensure the privacy and security of your business operations when using ChatGPT. 1. Data encryption. Implement robust data encryption protocols to protect data transmitted to and from ChatGPT. Encryption ensures that data remains confidential even if intercepted. 2. Secure access. Control access to ChatGPT within your organization. Limit access to authorized personnel who need it for specific business purposes. 3. Secure environment. When discussing sensitive business information with ChatGPT, ensure that the environment is secure. Avoid public or unsecured networks and devices. 4. Compliance with regulations. Adhere to data privacy regulations and industry standards, such as GDPR or HIPAA, when using ChatGPT. Ensure that ChatGPT usage aligns with legal requirements. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're a healthcare provider using ChatGPT to assist in patient data analysis. Ensure that all interactions with ChatGPT are compliant with healthcare data protection regulations to safeguard patient privacy. Data retention policies. Implement data retention policies that define how long ChatGPT-generated data is stored and when it should be deleted. Regular audits and assessments. Conduct regular security audits and assessments of your ChatGPT implementation to identify vulnerabilities and address them promptly. Employee training. Educate your employees about the importance of data privacy and security when working with ChatGPT. Ensure they follow best practices. In this chapter, we've highlighted the critical importance of privacy and security when using ChatGPT for business management. By implementing strong data encryption, controlling access, securing the environment, complying with regulations, and following best practices, you can protect sensitive information and maintain the confidentiality of your business operations. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and learning. Chapter 15: Leadership and Communication. Welcome back to our exploration of ChatGPT's role in business management. In the previous chapters, we've covered a wide range of topics, from continuous learning to privacy and security. Now, let's explore the art of leadership and communication with ChatGPT. The power of effective leadership communication. Leadership is not just about making decisions, it's also about inspiring and guiding your team. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in crafting leadership messages that resonate with your employees and stakeholders. Crafting leadership messages with ChatGPT. Here's how ChatGPT can assist you in communicating effectively as a leader. 1. Internal communications. Use ChatGPT to draft internal communications, such as emails, memos, and announcements. It can help ensure that your messages are clear, concise, and well-structured. 2. Employee engagement. Engage with ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for employee engagement initiatives or messages that motivate and inspire your team. 3. Organizational announcements. ChatGPT can assist in crafting important organizational announcements, ensuring that they are delivered in a sensitive and professional manner. 4. Crisis communications. In times of crisis, ChatGPT can help you draft crisis communications that address the situation, reassure stakeholders, and provide a plan of action. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're the CEO of a company facing a major restructuring. ChatGPT can assist in drafting communications to employees, shareholders, and clients, conveying the changes with clarity and empathy. Tailoring messages. Work closely with ChatGPT to tailor messages to different audiences and communication channels. Messages to employees may differ from those to investors or customers. Language and tone. Consider the language and tone of your messages. ChatGPT can assist in striking the right balance between formal and approachable communication. Feedback and iteration. Seek feedback from trusted colleagues and mentors on the messages crafted with ChatGPT. Iterate and refine as needed to ensure effectiveness. In this chapter, we've explored how ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in crafting leadership messages that inspire, guide, and communicate effectively. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities, you can enhance your leadership communication and strengthen your connection with your team and stakeholders. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and learning. Chapter 16, Advanced Applications. Welcome back to our journey of maximizing ChatGPT's potential in business management. In the previous chapters, we've covered a wide range of topics, from leadership communication to privacy and security. Now, let's explore advanced applications of ChatGPT that can take your business management efforts to the next level. Unlocking advanced capabilities. ChatGPT's capabilities extend beyond the basics. By delving into advanced applications, you can harness the full potential of this AI tool to address complex challenges and drive innovation. Advanced applications of ChatGPT. Here are some advanced ways to apply ChatGPT in business management. 1. Natural language interfaces. Develop natural language interfaces powered by ChatGPT for your organization's software applications and systems. This allows users to interact with technology using everyday language. 2. Predictive analytics. Leverage ChatGPT to build predictive models that analyze historical data and make forecasts. Predictive analytics can help you anticipate market trends, customer behavior, and more. 3. Personalized recommendations. Implement recommendation systems that use ChatGPT to provide personalized product or content recommendations to customers based on their preferences and behavior. 4. Voice assistants. Integrate ChatGPT into voice assistant applications to offer customers or employees voice-based assistance, making information and services more accessible. Real-life scenario. Imagine you're an e-commerce retailer. By implementing advanced ChatGPT-powered recommendation systems, you can boost sales by providing customers with highly personalized product suggestions, improving their shopping experience. AI-powered decision-making. Utilize ChatGPT's advanced analytics capabilities to support complex decision-making processes, such as resource allocation, supply chain optimization, or product portfolio management. ChatGPT-powered chatbots. Enhance customer service with AI-powered chatbots that can answer inquiries, provide product information, and even assist with transactions. Ethical AI governance. As you explore advanced AI applications, establish guidelines for ethical AI usage within your organization. Consider the ethical implications of AI decisions, particularly in areas like customer data privacy and algorithmic bias. In this chapter, we've delved into advanced applications of ChatGPT in business management. By unlocking these capabilities, you can address complex challenges, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation within your organization. Remember to approach advanced applications with a clear strategy and ethical considerations. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and learning.